Hi, this is Chinmayi and welcome to my channel. Today, this is going to be a tutorial on this look, but this has not been done by me. You should have been able to guess by how good this is. So this makeup look hair and makeup has been done by Style Fix Beauty, Lakshmi Priya. The eyebrows that so many of you really admire on my face, this has been trimmed for years together by the one and only Sulakshana that I have been working with, and this is her daughter. And I thought it will be great. She's just putting her baby steps into the makeup industry, and I thought it would be great for her to come over onto this channel and do a collaboration. So let us take you through the tutorial and how she went about doing this look today.
Hi!
BB thickening ever.
Hi, this is Chinmayi.
Alright, so I'm off to the Filmfare Awards and I'll see you later in the evening to figure out whether an award is something that is written for me in the stars today. I hope you really like this makeup and hair, and if you did, go and follow her social media accounts. I'm going to be linking them down below. The hairstylist and the makeup artist is Lakshmi Priya. Until I see you in my next video, this is me saying bye-bye.